in the dialogue process as a principal stakeholder. In any negotiations between India and Pakistan and the international community, to transform the conflict and realization of their inalienable right of self-determination, and also calling upon the UN and international community to impress upon India and Pakistani governments to respect fundamental rights of the people in their respective administrative part of Jammu and Kashmir, and free all the political prisoners and allow international humanitarian organizations to work across the line of control in relieving poverty, advancing education, and helping the well-being of the people in all regions of the 4% of Jammu and Kashmir. So these are some of the key points we would like to see that how our representatives are taking them forward. And one of the key elements from this that in terms of the Pakistani administered Kashmir, where the British Kashmir diaspora, more than 90% of the Kashmiri diaspora in the United Kingdom belongs to the Pakistani administered part of the Jammu and Kashmir. So Pakistan is the second largest recipient of the United Kingdom's international aid. So what we would ask is that 30% of that United Kingdom international aid which is given to Pakistan should be invested in Azad Kashmir and Gilgit and Baltistan. That is one of the ways to which we can tackle poverty, we can advance in equality and protection of the human rights and socio-economic justice in the Indian administered Kashmir. Sorry, in the Pakistani administered Kashmir. So I leave the other points to my other colleagues, and I would like to say for my all other friends who are here from different political organizations or associations, let us work together to have as a community manifesto. Yes, each and every political party has their own political manifesto, but we live in the United Kingdom. So being the members of the civil society in the United Kingdom, rather than implementing our political manifestos, let's create a community manifesto which takes us forward for equality and social justice in the United Kingdom and just peace and freedom in Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you very much.